Over the course of the last 4 years, Omaha Public Schools has been in a transformation mode. We really tried to look at what should happen in the classroom today. Many times what you saw was a lack of use of technology within the classroom, and what we're doing right now is really purposeful.
Children that are in school now have never lived in an era where there's not been technology right at their fingertips. So it just makes sense to reach them at that level.
I love walking into those classrooms to see how kids engage with technology. We talk about the 4 C's a lot, so it's communication, collaboration, critical thinking skills, and creativity. Teams really does all of them. It's highly collaborative because I have conversations more in real time, more informal, and more consistent. I have the ability to bring in apps that I would use, like OneNote. Then whenever you add video into the mix, I have real-time face-to-face happening. All those pieces together create an environment that you just don't see in anything today. Well, within teams, there's instant feedback back to that student and collaboration between students within an environment that's safe and effective for classroom learning. That learning process extends well beyond the confines of a school. Learning can happen just about anywhere.
It's just a better way of communicating because if you're not going to see somebody, you can still communicate with them even though they're not there.
Being a teacher, you never have all the answers, so it is nice to be able to collaborate with other team members, whether it be down the hallway, in another part of the building, or in another state. Using Teams is just an easy way to get more ideas on how to reach the kids in the classroom.
Teachers get a digital hub for classrooms and professional learning all in one area. There's a lot of power that can come out of that. First and foremost, you have to have amazing teachers. Secondly, I think you have to have great leadership. And then thirdly, I think you need opportunities. Whenever students have the opportunity to connect the dots, that's when learning is purposeful, because that's going to drive them to be who they can be.